Do you want to trade, but you don't know where to start? Well, let's start at the basics. The goal of trading is clear: make more profitable winning trades than losing ones. And that's when you start monetizing from trading. So how can you actually do that? Well, with trading, you want to keep your capital for as long as possible, while maximizing your gains and minimizing your losses. There are a variety of simple ways to help you do that. This is a technique called risk management. It will teach you what percentage of your overall capital to place on each trade, how to use stop loss and take profit orders to minimize losses, and to take your profit off the table respectively. We also have a tool called AvaProtect, which when you set it as you're opening the trade, it can help you protect your trade from losses and thus improve your risk-reward ratio. So the next question is, what should you trade? Well, different traders use different market analysis techniques to find assets to trade on. And while we teach these techniques at AvaTrade, we also offer all our traders free trading signals to save their time in having to conduct research, and we send you news and trading alerts every day so you can understand exactly what's happening in the financial markets. This can really help you formulate what you'd like to trade that day and give you some direction as to how to trade it. For those traders that are new to the world of trading, AvaSocial is a genius app. It allows you to copy the trades of other more experienced traders. They all have track records, so you can decide who to copy based on their success rates. Back to what to trade. Now let's take Tesla for example, and the whole world racing to meet zero carbon emission targets. This creates a really ripe environment for electric vehicle makers, which can stand to gain from this trend. This can build demand for electric and hybrid vehicles. However, with the supply chain crunch, can Tesla meet the demand for the cars? With a massive shortage of microchips globally, how will this affect the sales of car makers like Tesla and even firms that rely on chips, like computer manufacturers? How about oil? Geopolitical uncertainty, such as that in the Middle East and of course Eastern Europe, can raise the price of oil as investors worry about supply. Meanwhile, if the US reports too much inventory, this can bring the price down. Gold is often considered a safe haven asset. So when there's global uncertainty in the markets, this can cause more people to buy gold in order to store their wealth, and this then pushes up the price of this precious metal. Did you know that you can trade these and other popular assets from home? Brokers like AvaTrade give you access to trade leading stocks like Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla, commodities like gold and oil, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and currencies like the euro-dollar. So how to trade? Well, once you've chosen your asset, from here you'll need to make a decision about whether you think the price of the asset you're trading will go higher or will it go lower. If you think the price of the asset might rise, then you could open a buy position with one click on your platform. You might then close the trade later on once the asset price has moved high enough to give you some profit. Now, on the other hand, you can also trade when markets are moving lower. In this case, you'll place a sell position, and then you'd close your position once the markets have moved low enough for you to claim a profit. With education and practice, anyone can trade the global markets, and that's where a broker like AvaTrade comes in. We focus on educating our traders until they feel confident to trade the global financial markets alone. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to understand the next step in getting you ready to start trading. AvaTrade gives its new clients free one-on-one phone training sessions to help them feel secure about trading and to give them an understanding of how trading works. We supply free access to all clients to an in-depth academy featuring training videos, educational courses and guides. But not only that, it's also important to know that AvaTrade is one of the most highly regulated online brokers in the entire industry. Regulation brings you, the trader, assurance that your best interests are protected. It means that you're trading with a company that is monitored and authorised by leading financial regulators, a company that is transparent and fair. Regulation is a key principle to feeling safe with the broker you're working with. So now that you understand all of these basics, you have a choice. You can either contact support now for your free phone training session, or you can move on to the next video, which will show you how to place your first trade on the platform. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.